Let's go feed the chickens and the ducks and give them some snacks because they're already yelling at us. Lassie's the main one that likes to yell at us. Back it on up. Oh, right. Patience is not there. Caleb got this thing to hang and like they just peck at it. I feel like they're gonna love it. This one is the only one that's noticed it so far. She's very curious. Right, it's hanging, so I'm curious to see what they're gonna do with it. And of course, we're doing the pool for the ducks. And Caleb built this for them today. Another little perch for them to sit on and be curious. There they go. Their little tails. So got them some more mealworms.
Trying to eat it out there.